I don't mind. Hello, Pastor. All right. Come on. Good job. All right, so I want you to be a good girl at school today, as always, right? Good. And remember that you should always be kind to your friends and your teacher, right? Yes. And again, use your pleasantries. You say good morning, you say please, you say thank you, and you say excuse me when it's necessary, right? Good. Right. Pull up and good job. All right, sit up. Look at me. All right. Come. Hold on. Wrong way, baby. Right, this way. Come. Okay, good job. Come. Stand up. Yeah, let me so call if you're back again, You're weird, All right. Sit down now. Please.
Mommy, I cannot go to school. It's raining.
What do you mean, Haley? You're not going to get wet in the rain, Mommy. I don't want you to miss school. You're not going to get wet. I'm going to take you to school. We're going to use the umbrella. We're going to go downstairs and we're going to go in the car and you go to school. Okay, Mommy? Come, let's go. You're going to school. You're not going to get wet, my baby.
Don't move, man. Come here, man. We get a search. Search him then. What is it? I say you want to live. You don't have respect for police. This way I go on here, say license.
Yeah, man.
So let me see some papers now, man.
All right, you see the one with the lot number up on me yard. And see the next one right here, so. So if you want, me can go up on me yard.
Step aside there, man. So come over here, so come over here. So stand up over here. Just stand up over here, so.
So, oh yeah, so.
Just stand up over here, so, brother.
Virgin, so me right and you
come out of my face, man. Come out of my face.
Come out of your what?
Brother. First thing first, this I said July 3, 2023. This expire, you know. So you know, chat I say, you know.
23.
Yeah?
23.
2023, that
At 2023, me get it.
Listen to me now.
Look, no, really, look on it. At 2023, me get it.
That said 2023, look on it.
At 2023, me get it.
I think you're right in a Sarge. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Listen to me, man. You see, the government say if you're supposed to plant about 23, right? And that look like a more than 23.
5-3.
5-3.
Yeah.
And that a more than 5-3. So you have to go do something.
As you saying, some over there, you know.
But you're greedy, man. Eh? You get the chance to plant 5-3, you plant over this like over 100 and hard tree.
I have a license, you know. I have a license to do it. I also have a license to sell too.
Eh?
Yeah. So, me not really understand what. And that's why I can't have a ganja pan this too.
Listen to me, man. We get a call, say, contrabands over here. And guns. We get a call, say, guns over here. Oh. So when at night time, we don't bust up shot about the place. But let me tell you this. You see, any day you don't feel like saying, hoodlums want running and maybe a buck one now, no? And this I go talk. Yeah? Because sometimes you don't understand yourself, you know. You don't get out of hand, boy. Yeah. And I'm telling you this. Any day me get a report say nothing I go around here, no, man. They send me a come. Oh, you ever hear about Satan yet? You hear about Satan? You don't know his name, so don't it? Look in my face, I'm in name, so. Oh.
So you don't know it.
Yeah, man, you want that's good.
No, man.
You want to pass it, man.
Where come, Sarge?
Oh. So a tangy that mixed with purple ears, you know.
Somebody call me, one of these days, I get one next batch, you know.
Yeah, man, that's nothing, man. You're a good boy, you know. Yeah. Let's see if your boss a corruption, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. Make me a hand, man.
All right.
No worry yourself. May I come, Sarge. But I have no money for you.
Next time you call me. All right.
Alright, take off your shoes, baby. Take off your shoes. Come. Start going. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Oh, God. Tired, mommy? Come here. Oh. How was your day at school today?
It was great.
Awesome. What's this? Whoa. Oh. All right. What did teacher say today?
We learned about numbers.
Oh, you learned about numbers? What numbers did you guys do today?
Like 1 to 10.
Oh, awesome. So you can count from 1 to 10 for me now, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. High five. All right. Let me check your bag to see if you get homework. And then we're going to go through what you did today, okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. love it when our teacher reads short stories to us. So who is this, Kelly?
The teacher.
And these are the children?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Hey, honey, what's up?
Hey, darling, how are you?
I'm good. I just brought home Kelly from school. I was looking through her book.
Yeah, how is she doing?
She's good. She said she learned about numbers today. Yes, and I saw where they did writing too. I was going to go through it with her and then check to see if she get any homework.
All right, let me talk to her a little bit.
Okay, honey.
Daddy?
Hi, mommy.
You're
How are
okay?
you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
You know Daddy love you.
And I love you too, Daddy.
All right, listen up. I was supposed to let me talk about you, mommy.
Hey, Rev, I'm here.
Yeah, I was supposed to come down here, but because we still undercover for the mission, the two said me can't come down. So as soon as we come out for the mission, then I will come down here.
Again? So is that going to be another week?
Me know say you really want to see me, and I really want to see you to base, but I just want next 3 more months then see me I forgot there.
What?
Yeah. So, I don't know.
So you don't expect me to be lonely? I'm lonely during the daytime when Kelly gone to school, you know? I understand her work and everything, but I mean, what do I do? Even can you even when I get a day off or say you can't even just rush down even for a few hours or so? 3 months is a long way.
It must be there by the time I come down for a few hours, you know, babes, that now I'm going to say something. Me soon come, man. Me know say you miss me, you know. Come and miss you too. Me soon come, man.
Daddy,
Yes, mommy?
I got a balloon from school.
Oh, congratulations. All right, mommy, so me I go run now. Yeah, me talk to you. Tell mommy I love her.
Honey, listen,
I love you.
Oh no, when I follow me, I go. When I see me, I go somewhere. When I see that man, me, I look for no father.
okay.
I gotta run, baby. I'll call you later, all right?
All right, later, love you too.
Yeah.
Omar!
Yes, soup.
Omar!
Yes, soup.
Omar, you know, hear me, I call you.
Soup. Sorry about that, man. Me I go come in a little bit late, man. I chew traffic there on the road, man.
Man, another 3 months, Kelly.
I miss Daddy too.
I know, baby. And I miss him too. So much. But it's alright. I'm here for you, okay, Mommy?
Okay.
Alright, come, let's go inside the room.
All right.
When I go back, I sit down, I talk to no father.
Yeah. I'm going in. My mommy will talk.
When I go in, go sit down.
Where's the babes?
Well, you know, say, me I call you how long and you not answer, but me tell you what me I tell you now. You pay them school fee due, what you do?
No, you know, man. I tell my supervisor for Wednesday, want some like extra money, want money and going. You see me? They raise up here, but they say them give me, when I get it yet. And then me I do too much extra night shift on this.
But that can't work.
If I try rent out the car, then I babes and try do something. Man.
Maybe we have to go do that. Cause I don't feel alone pick me.
I don't know, man.
So
The thing is, you know, cause why super car about, you know. He might tell me say, me have to go to Westmoreland. Go spend 3 weeks down there. Plus me have court down at Westmoreland too.
Westmoreland again?
Yeah.
No. Something or something.
What for you now, babes? Babes, look, I love you. You're the only person me live with. Yes, me I said, don't worry yourself, man. You're Westmoreland, man. Let's say finish cook.
Yes, baby, come on, we're going to have dinner. Come on, kids, we're going to have dinner. Come on.
Come on, my princess!
Wow. and the car just shut off like that. Oh, Jesus.
The gas.
I think it's a gas, Kelly. No, I have gas. It's not turning on.
The gas is finished.
It's not gas, Kelly. I have gas.
I told you.
I have gas, mommy. It's not turning on. Gosh. And it's in the middle of the road.
Is that different? It looks like the gas is like that.
It's
And we're in the middle of the road.
We're in the middle of the road, Haley, and the car starts. It's not turning on. I don't know what is wrong with it. I have gas. Why is it not starting?
No, sort out that system. Yeah. So Johnny, you could tell me say if fire burn out. Jesus. No, we're not there. I'm bored, my boss. You know, easy. You know? We're not dealing them things, my boss. I'm bored. I wish care that.
You know, it look like some food she wants still, you know, I don't know who.
So you know, accept if a food she want. You afraid? Accept a food she want, you afraid? Alright, I'm find out. Hello, nice lady.
Hi.
How are you? All is well?
No,
What happened?
I don't know. Me break down.
Oh, I break your weight down.
Yes.
Okay.
Like me just a drive come and the car just stop.
Oh my gosh. So you need a mechanic then, because I don't know nothing about car and I'm not driving.
But yeah, man, you probably know something like can see something.
So
And I know it's not gas.
So me do, but let me see what I go on in that bonnet then. Let me see what as me say, I'm not a mechanic, you know, but so what happened? Why do now start?
Yes, it just kick one time just now, and then it not turn over.
Try again, man.
It not turn over.
Nah, turn over.
No.
Johnny. Nothing more in deficit. All right.
It's for real.
Oh, there's something that will hold up the bonnet. Oh, see it there.
God, I hope you can fix it.
Ah, boy. Probably. But it's battery terminal slap, man. Hold on there. Slap, man. See it all come out. Try again, let me see.
Okay.
I'll probably have this, you know.
That is amazing.
I tell you, man. Know about them things, man.
I like it.
I bought your terminal I need, miss.
Thank you so much.
No about them things, man.
Oh my God.
You that, man.
What happened?
You need one battery.
The battery.
Well, I'm sure you will lock it down. Up me back, I'm sure you something. You need one battery terminal. Pop in.
Kelly, I'm coming, mommy, baby.
Let me show you. Yeah, so you see this?
Yeah.
It's worn out, you see it? So you're gonna need one new terminal.
Oh, cause me just buy a battery, you know.
Yeah, I can see the battery for you, you know. But you know, if you're not tight, you know, if you're not tight, though, you're not gonna start.
Okay.
You understand? So try to see if I can replace this. I'm telling you, I'm a big mechanic, man.
You said you didn't know anything about cars.
You sure? Alright, anyway, we can lock it down now.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Welcome, Ricardo.
Ricardo, I remember your name.
Yeah, man.
This is where you work?
Yeah, man, right over there. We run a restaurant over here, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, we cook good food over here too, you know?
Oh, what you have now?
We have curry goat. All the curry goat we have there.
Okay. No, you curry goat.
Yeah, curry goat. That's okay. So,
But I probably can stop by another time.
yeah, man, sure. Yeah, man.
Ricardo, I remember
We
you.
normally, on a Friday we do jerk chicken. And a lot of stuff on a Friday. You can pass
So you're the main chef?
And I'm the chef, you know, I just catch up the fire and them thing there. I work with the chef still. But I learn the work still. Hold on. I didn't get your name, you know. All I go there, so I talk, I'm going to get your name.
Shauna.
Very nice name.
Yeah. So you probably can ring my phone so I can know your number.
Oh, yeah.
When I come, I can call you and I have stuff.
Sure. Sure. Let's put your number here.
Shauna, yeah.
I like it here.
Thanks. Alright, so at least it started. I got
man.
try get
and
it.
anytime, anything at all, happen to it, you can call me.
You know, you're full of fun, Ricardo. You're full of fun. But thanks. Alright, big up yourself.
Anytime.
Alright.
Later. Later. Yeah, I joke kind of entire you say that I'm a buck you. Remember me tell you that.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I don't really drink him. Nope, and I don't want to get drunk. I have to drive for him.
No, I'm going to make you get drunk, man. I have nothing. Me can drive home. I soon get my license,
Remember the first day you told me you know nothing about cars. But I'm coming over here for the first time. It's actually nice. It's really cool.
It's really nice.
And it's quiet.
Yeah, man. I've been here one time before.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure it's one?
Yeah, man.
My instinct tells
I'll
me
be honest.
you've been here on a regular. My instinct tells me you've been here on a regular.
No, but I hide it. You see it? I'm be honest to you what I'm going to say. I came here before. Once. I could hide it, you know. And I said, watch out, place up. Whatever, and you know what I mean?
Red Stripe sorrel beer. You know, me literally I drink this for the first time. I usually like the lemon one, but I guess people tend to always want to sell the sorrel for some reason.
I drink them light something that I'm mad in my mind.
So, as you said, you don't have a girl,
Not at the moment.
and I didn't want to ask, why would someone as nice as you be single?
Seriously?
It's okay, you don't have to
You want me to explain that?
No, it's fine. At least we're out. I'm happy that we're out because my husband, he is definitely away for so long. And you know, sometimes I'm in the house, I'm bored. I really want to go somewhere when Katie going to school. I mean, I'm there by myself, and my friend, she works, you know. Yeah.
That's why you're here now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for the time being, I'm happy that I'm out until I go back to work.
You know, I never know say I have, hold on, you never know say I have brown eyes, you know?
Hey, don't look too deep in my eyes, you'll fall in love.
Yeah. We never fall in love with man, we always stand in love.
You will fall in love with me, I'm telling you that.
Serious? What you say to me? I try not to, you know, but
You
things
know,
can happen.
funny, you know,
Nah, I go say nah.
the first time when I met my husband,
Mm-hmm.
like he was like, no, you know, every king deserves a queen. Every king deserves a queen, and you're my queen, you know. You're my queen, looking at my eyes.
Done sound like an artist.
And he was like looking at my eyes, and I mean, I said, I'm not going to look in your eyes, because if you look in my eyes, you will definitely fall in love.
Yeah.
And so say, so done. Yeah. Yeah, he got captivated.
But I tell you, I try my best not to focus on your eyes then. Because, boy,
But my personality normally allows people to jump to me.
yeah, I know.
You know?
Mhm.
You can see through that.
You know, from the very first day. Yeah.
Oh, let me initially say thank you.
Yeah. Don't tell us that at the least. I know I'm not going to be honest with you. I talk all along and I never tell it. You know, so some food me they want to sell it though. Like, seriously. Because I ask Kim, I ask her which car that was, and Kim tell me, say she don't know. So that's why.
I was there looking all around over the place, like nobody, I didn't see anybody, and but you know, I saw the girl, but I was like, she can't help me.
Boy.
She definitely can't help me.
So you saw me and you said, boy, that you can't help me.
You know, let me see, it was when you came over.
So find out, I'm a big mechanic now. All right, it's all right.
Next thing you're going to say, you're like, all right?
No, everything.
That's all about you, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like
All trade.
I like your vibes, Ricardo. I like your vibes. In a long, gosh,
Okay, so I'm showing that. Yeah.
me never know say I want vibrating master.
I can't stay there. You told me look up. Yeah, underestimate me.
No, I don't underestimate what. You pop.
Oh,
A joke.
Well, my power up, yes. I must have 7 magnum, I just drink, you know. So I must power up. Yeah, team, man.
Yeah, turn on the fan.
Put AC in it.
Turn on the fan if one can. The fan's supposed to work.
What's that sitting?
Gosh.
Yeah, just stop.
The song is my favorite song. I don't really like your song.
You say that in place, eh?
Nope.
Come on, with me, though.
Yeah, that's the first time.
What are you doing here?
You brought me here, Ricardo. That's funny.
Everything funny. Why you feel that fun? Everything I talk about funny, eh? Go now, General.
Hello. Yeah, well, trade the night now.
Trade the head.
Yeah. I'm coming now.
What is good?
Come in, baby. The company inside. Yeah.
Great.
I respect you, sir.
You got yourself, man.
Go.
Well, I'm a virgin that in number 11.
Oh, what that was cool.
Check what I'm going to do. I'll find out what I'm going to do. Up with it. What? Brother, can't believe stop. Yo, want some burger, man? Yo, fuck it. I hate that thing, that. Listen to me, man. That's when you have a man, when you can't deal with some little hoodlums. Some of them, man, have some upcoming hoodlums. Are you so?
Yes, right over here, sir.
Come on, so we don't need really care people on the bicycle, you know. A government bicycle, you know, so we. Oh, man, you mash up government property, man. I am this?
Yeah, see me.
Why? Listen to me. Why you beat up you man for?
Me, Mr. No.
Eh?
No, man.
You man a tell us say him left.
No.
What you mean no?
Me and you left?
You will left. Me and you never there in the first place.
Boy, a woman say him left. And you did a beat up your woman, eh?
How you call beat up? 2 bags full of tick down.
So where you put your hand palm up for?
No,
Are you picnic?
No, and that's what I mean. Watch it now.
Lock him up then.
Mr. Hold on, Mr. Hold on. Watch out.
The right.
I'm allergic to silver. Hold on.
All your hand bigger than the handcuff.
Come on. Yeah, me. Eh? A woman strength to have. Go up on your belly.
Yes, what I did that man so.
A woman strength to have.
I resist. No, I'm not.
Look like we have a half car more officer here.
No, I'm not calling nobody. Election. It's an officer. You know what I did me so.
That your old part. That team figure. What list boy, that your figure. What list?
Yo, stop asking man for money, no man. Get up.
Carry mode. Can't go put the way in Milan. Carry mode. You're good to nothing. Come on. Come on, time, please. Come on, man. I'm gonna take you out after you're ready. Come on.
My G. Big up. I'm young for that. I'm just roll like my general said, you see?
Yeah.
I'm Auntie this.
Oh, yeah, auntie.
Auntie G. Where else Auntie G?
Yeah. The part.
How much of you now? We are when ready.
Me see them really have back on me, yeah. Put a boy, I extract some carrots just now, you know.
How much of you?
Straight to the fridge, freeze and I put it, you know. You see what I'm ready for lie down tonight. You see me buy back. I'll give you my money for going down.
Nobody look power that way, but some of the people live everywhere. So
Alright. Me say me name remember to tell you something, come here.
nice people, them said they still here.
Oh, they're nice to do.
All right. You can't say you're not feel welcome. Because my mother give you a big welcome.
Yeah, auntie, I'll follow.
See you, man. Be another place. Sorry about that.
There you go. You want trim now? You know, sister, you want trim?
Hey, let me come in crime. Street. And I never come find it. Long time I see you.
Oh, that's a nice, you know.
True, man.
I feel better today.
Mosquito them.
Oh, go nice.
Okay.
Mosquito plant too much nice over there. And to all the farmers, everyone wants someone to big man now.
Oh gosh, you know, easy, you know. She's full of fun, though.
Yes, I want to clean up. Sorry about that there.
Sorry.
Recently, I set up back place. I buy up some things down. So it kind of run no more.
Sorry, you'll get there. At least I'm not
So we are trying people, you know, so I don't know.
Who's that?
My big brother, that man. You know why you bought them one night?
I never did.
I agree. One idea that you look on right there, so.
One a day?
Yeah, man.
Well, no call him one a day.
Policeman, force man. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Believe, yeah, man. People, them man there, see them man there. That's why no boy no trouble me around, so. Believe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, me see the resemblance still.
Brother, big brother, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, crime I go on. And then can't cool it down. Then call him a man. No people don't know say I have a better work when I force.
Okay.
Yeah, man, see that now.
Me really do see the resemblance.
Yeah, man, the boy, man, them man there.
This look like when he was much younger.
Yeah, when he was younger, this long time, this a from me, I was about 17. He never joined the force sometime, like, church where I come from. But no, say them know that they never come more than, but boy, he must go to church more than me still and thing. I just saw me look kind of street and everything. But the man ever live up as it, and now them man there and I force and leave them things anyway. You see, because them man in a love, good lumps in the front morning, you know. You see, so, my big brother this, you know. Did I finish with this?
Yeah.
Watch out now. I'll show you. You see this man, eh? Someone motivate me, that's why I want to start a family with them. You see it, because someone having family, you know, I'm sure. Someone having family, you see? Nice family.
Okay.
My two niece them there. Renee and Trisha. You see it?
Okay.
They want to make niece them the man. That's why I don't know. Really want to start a family one day still, you know? Because really and truly still, you know, me plan to make a first, you know. But he end up first, me. So you just look so.
Oh.
You just look so okay. Come on.
Just don't give it all right, man.
Sure, come on, let's go back out then. You want something? You want something else to drink?
No, I'm good.
So you're good.
I'm good.
So Uncle Clive, where are you going? You're easy, you know, not going to them, man.
I think I'm ready now because it's a lot of mosquitoes out here.
You just come?
Yeah, I'll probably swing by sometime in the week or so. A lot of mosquitoes out here. So.
Yeah, I'm going to make up so much nice. No country girl and I must go and take mosquito bite.
You know the effect of getting a mosquito bite? Someone bite me here so and it scratch.
You want to make up so much nice in my place.
She bye. Auntie, bye. Alright.
Soon father.
Bye.
Uncle, I'm soon father, eh?
Oh God.
feel sick.
Shauna! 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 Girl, what's wrong? What's wrong? You have me worried, you know.
Inside.
What's happening? What's wrong, girl? Who died? Who died? What's wrong, Shauna? What's happening? Oh my God. What's wrong? Shauna.
Tanisha,
What's happening?
I'm done.
What's happening?
I'm done.
No. What's happening? What's happening?
It's a very long story.
Oh my God.
It's a long story.
Girl. What's wrong, Shauna? You have me scared. What's wrong?
Okay. I must tell you that you've been a very great friend to me.
Of course.
I love you. I love you with everything in me. You've been my only friend. But Tanisha, I have messed up. I have messed up big time.
What's wrong? We can get through this. There's nothing too hard for us to get through. Come on. Talk to me. Okay.
Alright, so the other day I met this guy. His name is Ricardo. You know, because I'm here during the daytime and I'm lonely, I'm depressed, and Omar is not here. So, I mean, I honestly, I got carried away.
Oh, no.
So I saw you when I brought Kelly to school.
Mm-hmm.
I was on my way back. I had a flat tire and he helped me. So, you know, conversation-wise, he was very nice. Then he took my number. He called me. We went for a drink. And then it ended up, like, we ended up making out.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry. Oh, no.
But then I was like, I felt bad at first with him. I was like, it's just a one night stand. But then Omar is not here and he's been away for more than
Forever.
oh God.
Oh.
So it's like that one night stand that I had, it led to another night stand, to another night stand, to another night stand until into the daytime, and you know, it became on a regular.
Yeah.
Tanisha, I feel very bad. I feel very bad, and now I get caught up because please, I know you're my friend. Don't judge me, please. I really got carried away.
Oh my God.
But the thing is, The thing is, though, Tanisha, the thing is, I know I've messed up, but this is it. I'm pregnant, and I know it's Ricardo's child because Omar is not here. So no, I really don't know. But you know what? That's not even the worst part of it. And I've been holding on to this for a while, which is crazy. Ricardo, I mean, as I said, we've been doing a one night stand, but then I went to his house. When I was there, it's like he's got some pictures, and on the wall I saw a picture of him and Omar. I was astonished because I was like, you know each other, but I didn't say it to him. And I mean, I ignored it for a while, but then I was like, how do I ask him? Like, you know, I was like, oh, it was bothering me, and I was like, you know what? Let me just brave up and ask him. And I said to him, that guy face look familiar. Who is it to you? And you know what he told me?
They're cousins?
They're brothers.
What? Girl, what?
They are brothers. That guy Ricardo and Omar, they are brothers. But to add to that,
Oh no.
God, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? God, why me? I'm not gonna cry anymore. I'm not gonna cry anymore.
Girl, let it out if you have to.
I'm not gonna cry anymore, Tanisha. I'm not. I am strong and I will get through this. But I must tell you, Ricardo told me everything about Omar. He showed me pictures. He went from they were kids growing up. No. The super sad part. Omar have a family in St. Thomas.
Girl, you... What?
Omar's got a family in St. Thomas. He specifically said that was his favorite brother. He's married, happily married, with 2 kids.
Wait, what?
He's happily married with 2 kids. I was so shocked. I was so shocked. And he showed me the pictures.
Of the kids?
Yeah. And they are exactly as how Kaylee looked. They all look alike.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm wondering, like, I mean, I started pinching myself. I'm like, and Ricardo was like, what's happening? And I said, oh, it's nothing.
This can't be for real.
And then Ricardo was like, what's happening? I was like, I'm fine, you know?
Oh my God.
I'm fine. But then I started thinking to myself that, how could this be, you know? And I was like, you know, I've messed up big time, but he played me.
Yes, what he did was outrageous.
He played me.
All this time you're here, you were literally being faithful.
Until he started not coming around, not paying me any attention.
Oh my God.
It's like,
oh my God, girl, I need something to drink.
Oh, you want something to drink?
Mm-hmm.
I have it. Seriously. I have it. It's in the kitchen.
Oh my God.
Shauna, you are strong. You're strong and you will get through this.
Girl, cheer up. We're gonna do this, alright? We are gonna do this. We've been doing it, so we're gonna get through this.
Thank you so much, Tanisha. I appreciate you, and I will always love you as my friend. Thank you so much.
I love you too, girl. We're gonna get through this, alright?
Thank you.
What a day off. Oh my God.
You should be here with me today all day.
I'm gonna, I had like 2 things to do in the town, and then I'm gonna come back. Gonna make
I
you
will come with you.
even better. And I can cook for you, and we play some music and...
Okay. Let me get dressed. I'm gonna get dressed.
Alright.
Come show me what to wear.
Of course, girl.
Shauna. Go on.
What's up?
I'm there, man.
Fine.
No, we come to stay and make that clear. No, come to stay.
Why you don't come to stay?
I have my reason. Where the baby?
She's sleeping.
Oh.
You want to sit?
No, I'm good. I'm saying so more. I just come to talk to you. Quick and fast.
Okay. But can we at least sit down and talk?
No, I don't really want to sit down. I don't really want to sit.
What do you want to talk about?
Shauna, that bother me. Never say nothing. That bother me saying I like it. Like,
What is bothering you? Us?
yeah. And?
But it shouldn't be bothering you. We already break it up.
And?
It's still us.
Yeah.
You and I and our baby.
Yeah, but I mean, like, in the beginning, we never know. So it was a situation like this. Because when I dream for them thing to my brother. Never dream for them thing to my brother. Never.
So, do you think I purpose to do this?
No, I'm not going to say a purpose to do it. Me not. None of it ever.
Ricardo, remember, it's not something that I knew of. So, why are you here trying to make it seem as if I'm a bad person?
No, where you get that from? No, I don't want you to look on it that way. All right, look. But just I say, you know, sit well with me. And it, honestly, my conscience can't lay down. My conscience just bother me. I can't tell my sister them, I can't tell my mother, I can't tell nobody.
Right, because it's our little secret.
But it's a secret like this. It does, my head and, when something I search, I want like a loophole to come out. That's how it seems like.
So what?
Beat me up inside, believe me.
So basically, what 2 people know is no secret. Or is it that you want to go about telling people about what happened?
No. All right. You see, the thing about it, and I like want to go ahead and tell people, because...
Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead. Tell me.
Yeah.
What about it?
I like want to go tell people, but you have to understand. We can't sleep at night time. You know, I'm my brother. I love my brother, And fireman them when I come from, we see it out of one plate, sleep on one like a sponge.
So Ricardo, you don't think I love your brother too? But look at what happened.
No, but you can't love it. You can't love both away. You say you love me, you can't love my brother as well.
Ricardo.
I mean, love my brother, but no.
Ricardo.
It's sad enough. It's sad.
I get that. I get that, and as I said, we are already over that part. We're no longer be going about doing stuff that we shouldn't be doing.
Right. But I'm saying, let me just get to the point. I think you should have carried the baby, believe me. I don't really want to sound like wicked. I don't want
Seriously?
Trust me, I don't really want, I don't want to hurt your feelings, you see it, and...
Seriously, Ricardo?
But
I don't, listen, get rid of that thought. I already have a plan, and I know it's a master plan. I'm already in the process of trying to get your brother down here so that we can make out. Remember, you guys are brothers, and your brother is by your father's side. So if he gets the child, it wouldn't really make a difference.
So you mentioned brother by your father's side. That's still my brother, you know?
I know. So with that being said, with the fact that I will bring the child, I will give the child to Omar, even though it's going to be your child, you can still come around, you can still be around the baby as an uncle.
As an uncle and as a father?
Omar, stop.
Matter of fact, my little niece, not supposed to be my stepdaughter.
She's not your stepdaughter. We're over that now. But I get what you're saying. Oh, Kaylee and this child that I'm carrying, they're going to be cousins and they're going to be sisters, or sisters and brothers, or two sisters, or whatever. I'm not even thinking about that, Ricardo.
Alright, listen what I say. I don't know what you feel now, yeah? I try my very, very best to make you feel now, right? Because it's what we're doing in one dilemma right now. And I never signed up for this, I never planned for this. Things happen, but if I did somebody else, how would I feel about my brother? I can't do it, honestly. I can't do it. So, let me just get to the point. Now, don't tell him what I'm
Ricardo,
tell him what.
are you insane? Are you crazy? You want to drive me nuts? You can't do that.
But this is a situation I look like.
Ricardo, you cannot do that no matter what. You can't. I'm not ready to lose my life. I'm not ready to lose my child. I'm not ready for this.
All right. I don't want to be selfish, and I don't want you to be selfish either. Because you say you don't want to lose your life. What if my brother find out? A whole of brother kill him brother, you know?
How is he going to find out when only you and I know about this?
A whole of things there that can come to light. Even though I really got no worry about.
Stop. Omar cannot know about this, Ricardo.
And that's my problem, because it got beat me. That's like every time I see my brother. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how this boy never dream of this. But I just want you to hear me now. Please.
Ricardo?
In a situation.
No matter what you do not say this to Omar. Please. Remember that he is a cop. Remember that. And I know that Omar loves me. And even though he is your brother, think about you as well.
But remember
that he is not afraid to do certain things. Remember that he is your brother and he is my husband.
Yeah, boy, but you're rough. I'm not telling you that, yeah. You see the thing about it. If him do find out, he can't blame me that much. Because I never know about his family here. I know about him family in Portland.
Here you are.
No.
Here you are, Ricardo. What do I do? I am left in this situation. What do I do?
All right.
I mean, if I go and I do an abortion, Ricardo, how can I live with that? You know what? I just think I may need to think about it. And I want you to think about it too. Ricardo, I really do love Amara, even though you show me all the stuff that he's got another family home in St. Thomas. I mean,
And I like somebody, and I like inform for
I know.
It's just that me just a try show yourself. I never know about him family here, so he never tell me that. You understand? So, I mean, you can't blame me, but you can't really blame me.
I mean, Ricardo, I don't know. I honestly don't know where to start because right now I don't even know how I'm going to confront him about his family that he's got in St. Thomas. Like, I just don't know.
Hold on. So who you gonna tell him to tell you that? Who you gonna tell him?
Who do you want me to tell him to tell me? Who told me?
You see it? A two-way, I mean, a problem.
So let's keep it as a secret then. I won't say anything to him, you don't say anything to him.
What I love to know, but I'm not confused, like, but I love we can't keep that a secret, you know, but,
Ricardo.
Well, I know, but, I mean, if it was somebody else and not my brother, you understand? Oh, my brother, oh, my brother, I love so much. Well, I don't know, anybody can do that and keep them secret there. And be a face with this, a dog heart, believe me. I'm not grow them way there.
Neither do I.
So it's just that I don't really want to hurt my brother, you see it? I don't want to hurt you either, see it? Trust me, I understand. Even though I suggest that you do the abortion, we just don't want to hurt you either. But you know, everybody just want to be between a rock and a hard space right now. But I will take some time and think about it. Just take 3 days. Let us take 3 days and think about it. Alright? Come up with a solution. What we are going to do, alright?
Let's take 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Please.
Alright.
And Ricardo. Promise me that you're not going to say anything to Omar. Please.
I'm going to tell her that kind of hard, you know, but you try. Right?
We go on 2 weeks. Keep it that way. Please.
You try. Later.
Okay.
Okay, though.
Mommy, don't cry.
I'm sorry, baby.
I'm taller than you. No, I'm tall. I can fly. I can do anything that I need. You can do that. What? What are you doing? Nothing. Ouch. Like this. Good thing I have a blanket. And I can spread out. I just need my bed. My own bed. Oh, here's it. And I need to rub up. Just like this.
Our teacher did call me the other day and tell me that she's doing excellent.
That's nice.
You know? Yeah, and then she sent on some words for her to study. And I'm telling her she's doing good so far.
I'm so proud of you.
Because I know she have a spelling bee coming up at the end of the month. So I have to make sure that I'm on par with her, you know?
Of course, girl. And we know she's going to do it good.
Even though, you know, despite all of what's happening, you know, I just try to stay positive, stay focused, and help her, you know?
Yeah.
As even Ricardo came by the other night, and
what's up with him?
He's basically telling me that he wants to tell Omar.
Why?
I'm like, are you crazy? Girl, like, I literally cried.
Oh, gosh.
I cried that night.
That's not his place, though.
I'm like, you can't. Like, I literally begged him. I was like, listen, you can't. Just imagine him telling Omar all of this.
I know, right? So what did he say?
He said, I should take 3 days to think about it, think about what I want to do. So I said, listen, let's take 2 weeks. So basically, I'm just in the process of thinking out loud what I'm going to be doing, you know, because as you know, it really tears me.
Yes, for real.
And it's really killing me inside, and you know, I really don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing.
We're gonna figure it out, though. I'm certain about that. And I mean, I don't think you should let this get the best of you, because, you know, girl.
I'm really trying to put it all behind me, and I'm not going to lie. I'm really into him, like.
Okay.
Even though I found out that he's Omar's brother, like.
I mean, Omar is our family, so who knows?
Being with him, like. Tanisha. It's been some memorable moments. I mean, it's like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, it's really hard to even get over all the stuff that we've been doing together.
So how does he feel about this?
Technically, I know it tears him up, but he's more concerned about Omar.
Telling Omar.
You know, because, I mean, he's saying that, listen, this is my brother, and I don't know how I'm going to live with this, and, you know, he wants me to abort the child, and that's not something that I want to do.
No, that's not an option.
So I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know. And I know you don't want me to abort it. I don't want to do it either.
That's not an option, girl.
I mean, Tanisha, despite all of this, it's very depressing. It's hard.
Yeah.
But sometimes, just a moment with him together, like, I really do smile. He really puts a huge smile on my face. Sometimes I'm here and I'm lonely. You know, Omar is not here. It's like he hardly have any time for me, you know, despite work. And I mean, to know that he's got another family in St. Thomas, I do think about it, but I'm fully focused on I'm fully focused on the situation that I'm in now. You know, it's really. I'm not even going to try to think hard on it because whenever I really do deep thinking about it, it
Makes you sad and all
it hurts me.
Right.
And I really don't want to be going down into depression at this time.
I don't want you to either. That's why we're gonna have fun in this whole journey. Although we don't know where it's taking us, but we're gonna have fun, trust me.
Thank you so much, girl, for being here.
Welcome.
From the Drew. Like Drew. Oh, here's a muddy. Ow. Why don't we do this method? Yeah. My footprint. Wing falling. We never take that. I'm cold. I'm the truth. I'm getting sick. I do with this sheet. Wow, that will take you. Well, that way in the house. I get everything that I need. I can sit anywhere watching you.
Yo, I don't like them style, you know, them bicycle style, you know, they're fool and take for you know. When we are going to get a car, them, one car for drive. Hey, stop the taxi there, stop the taxi there. Pull over, man. Eh?
Yes, officer.
Oh, sir, switch off the engine for me now. Whoa, wait. How much spin it? 5 in the front. Eh?
You can't give me a blight, officer.
Blight?
You give me a chance, man.
Chance?
You know, some me have fit me to go to school too.
Listen to me. Me don't want to hear that. Let me see some papers. Let me see some papers.
Me not get the road license, man. Me I look for the road license.
Road license, first thing first, you drive with a taxi, you breach the limit. How much passenger you're supposed to have in the car? You don't have no taxi sign on the top. You don't have no PPV plate pan. You go down to them, man.
So we can't work out something?
Work out something? No, sir. And you're on all the wrong route.
Officer, nothing now go on.
You know, not bad about to me, man. You don't respect police, man.
Yes, sir, my boss. I can't talk to him.
Yeah, man, sir. Give him one ticket there. Give him one very hefty ticket. Yeah?
Well, I, sir.
First thing first, me I see this car today, you know. For them, the picnic we have 5, somebody we have in the front of the car. Me I see this car today, you know.
I'm going to renew the license, man.
Come out of the car. This car now move France. This car now move France. Yeah, blind. You must be mad. Hey, oi. Come out there for me. Hey, you don't know if you make no taxi man car, you don't know car with so much on. No insurance, no cover on. Hold on there. Make I get another car put on you. Hold on there. Is where you come from? Where you go? Come over here, sir. Hold on there. Let me get this. Where you going, man?
Yes, sir.
Where you going, man?
There, easy, sir.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Yeah, man, I must say, I have a little thing. Look more, you know.
Yeah.
Some more on the car.
Yeah.
See? That boy there. Me I carry him down.
Some boss. You can't do nothing for me.
If I me want the out here,
Anything you can do for me.
alright, listen. If I me want the out here, but I let you go, you know. But
What that man enough, you know?
The man don't take no talk. When it comes to woman, he take talk. When it comes to nothing else.
Watch on, man. Watch it. Me have a toes.
Where you go with that? You have to take out the person.
What you saying, passenger there? They, me don't want them on the road, so just carry them go both way for me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Just carry them go down then and then. While I'm say carry the car, I'm deal with this.
Yeah.
Because me, you forget a piece of food off him today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't me have my boss. I 200 me have them. See there? 2 minutes left me have.
Yeah, you don't respect police.
I don't respect police, but nothing now go on the road, my boss. You see it? Respect. Yeah.
No, where you go? You don't have no money?
No, me not.
No, man, you have to take out some
See
money.
that?
No, I buy a juice, no.
Not broke, man. Not broke. Me not. No. Give me a blind.
Wanna come? Just drop them down there for me, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, don't have to pay now. Don't have to bother pay no for it. But as I say, next time, you don't make no taxi man put so much on in one car front, because if nothing happen to you, no insurance and if you cover you, it's only one passenger can hold in at the front of the car. Alright? Alright, take care. Metro.
Yeah.
Do you do, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man, remember, you know, look how much I want the car.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, listen to me now. Me let you go now. Not even say me ever let you go. Me talk to me squad over there, so. Alright, listen to me. I charge $1,000 for the ticket here, you know. Or me drop it down to 15.
Are you what going on now? Zine? I said because you drive this car without a PPV red plate, and you drive without a taxi sign on the top of your car for sure, so you run taxi, and you all up on the wrong route.
You know, say straight me, I try straight up the car door. Believe.
Sir, I'm a good man. I'm a good Samaritan. I see him before enough, and he always a carry picking in my school. So I talk to him a little bit. We take a vehicle and we charge him on $15,000. What do you think, bossy?
$15,000, a little bit of money that man. This are more than that, man.
No, man, we can't.
$15,000? Eh?
You know, I no money for him, man. You time hard now. We can't. We are police now, so we have to make sure it's everybody all right in the streets.
Come on. So on,
No, man. We don't get no money.
We can't do that then, man. This embarrass yourself. But watch out, man. This have to go down to them, man. Just call.
Me apply, my boss.
Apply.
Please, my boss.
Sarge,
Anything at all.
Sarge, we don't have to take no.
I'm a school, no, my boss.
Give me.
We can't take his license in car and charge him one ticket.
A 7 baby, madam, you have 2 picking a piece, you know. A 14 picking at mine with 1 taxi, my boss.
7 baby mother, you have. Me I take care of all of them?
All of them. 2 a piece, a 14 picking make it.
With 1 taxi?
Yes. You hard, you know.
No bother ball to me, man.
Anything, my boss.
But hear what me out.
Talk to him already, make it up here.
Hear me out. It's because my shift done. And a bicycle, them I give it Friday now. Me not take no check out, so then I know dose up with you. I mean, I wait for now. Every time I call control, them take too long to send in the car, them to come get with. So I just let you. But get your things sorted out.
Yes, man.
You understand? You listen to me, man. You cap people.
Just so can't charge him a ticket.
No, man, make it go on, man. Just be a cap people. Be more responsible. And take time drive on the road. You understand? The next time you see it, I not let you have so easy, you know. But you say you have 7 baby mother and a 3 me have. So me understand. Do you do?
Pressure in the back.
But me still not get the match. Me still not get the match of how you mind 7 of them with 1 taxi. Alright, just take care of yourself and do
Respect, my
it.
boss. Respect.
Because me still not get
Take care,
the
my boss. Respect, yeah?
The next time we say we have to be so many.
Yes, man. So my boss, you not give me the key.
Oh, give me this for me.
Respect our manners, here, my boss.
Respect.
Nah, nothing at all, my boss. Nothing not there. Me give you everything, man. Fool them take taxi man fine.
Sarge, you know, say them taxi money, I forget lock up, bro.
Watch out, man. Sometimes you have to just let them alone, you know. You understand?
Man, I no money for give me.
It done embarrassing enough already why they give you the bicycle for ride. Eh?
But at least it's comfortable though.
You think we can run down criminal and I ride bicycle?
Ricardo, I know that it's 2 weeks and I know that's why you're here. So, what do you decide to do? What's the plan? Why you laughing, Ricardo?
You are laugh. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, hard, you know. But
I know it's a tough one, Ricardo.
I'm not gonna tell him how I'm gonna see it.
Thank you so much.
So make it
Why
sound.
did you decide not to tell him?
I don't feel like I should have thanked me. I just feel more guilty when I thank me, you know. You know, I just,
Really?
honestly, I don't even know if I guilt or I don't know, but I just feel a way what I said.
I don't want you
Yes,
to
I
feel
thank you.
guilty, and I'm not saying thank you for you to feel guilty. I'm saying thank you just to let you know that I appreciate the fact that you decide not to tell Omar what's happening with us.
Yes.
Understand? Because
but
if you tell him all of that, it's going to be crazy. I'm telling you. The relationship with you and Omar, it will go
I'm saying no. What may I say?
under the mat like.
So what if it was the other way around?
I'm not even going to think about it. Okay, being that I said thank you,
So you wouldn't.
and you're saying that you feel guilty. Ricardo,
But not to really want to hug for that need, you know, believe me.
stop.
Alright, this is what I say. On a serious note, what if when they decide to tell him?
I'm not even going to think about it, Ricardo, because I wasn't thinking that you're going to be telling him anything. I just knew a smart guy like you would definitely not think about telling Omar.
I'm smart. Many know I'm smart.
Of course, you're a smart one.
Yeah, sir.
Just think about the consequences. Think about one's life, my life. What do you think? Everything will be shattered.
You know, say, stick up in there. Or does it feel so comfortable? Feel like I'll drop asleep.
You can fall asleep.
Me?
Yes.
You're serious? If you drop asleep like this?
Yes.
Again? Not again.
So, with that being said, you won't tell him. I get to keep my baby, our baby. So, being that, because as we know, he is often not here. So what I will do, because he should be coming down. Well, he said that he was planning on coming down this week, but he wasn't sure. And as you know, I'm not expecting him because he always called to say, oh, the superintendent do this or the superintendent says that, and he has to manage his team and all of that. So I know he's not going to be coming soon, but I'm still going to try to persuade him to come. And when he comes, we're going to have our showdown. And then...
Listen what I say. I don't want to get another plan there.
No, not plan, but I'm just telling you
Yeah.
what I am planning on doing.
You don't want to get to that plan.
I mean, I'm just thinking about it and see how I can actually execute the plan that I have so that it doesn't seem off or seems odd that I am pregnant. You understand? If he doesn't come by this week, I may have to find him.
Oh, boy.
Yes, I may just have to find him in St. Thomas on this weekend.
You know, I can say something to you. But I put myself in my brother's shoes and I say, why?
Ricardo, why would you want to fit in Omar's shoes?
No,
you both have different sizes.
This is what I say, man. Please, this is what I say. But I say, what if it was the other way around, you know what I mean? Or me would I feel?
Ricardo, stop thinking about what if. You're literally putting me like in postpartum depression mode right now.
Sorry, bro.
And I should not.
No, I feel like that. But you have to understand, sir. All of us stress right now. Both of us stress. And you know what? I'm not tell him and I could leave it here, sir.
Awesome.
And guess what? I'm in a double trouble, you know.
Ricardo, you keep saying you're in double trouble. You're not in any double trouble.
No, I'm not. Tell him.
Right.
Listen.
Remember that Omar has a family back in St. Thomas, you know.
But that me I try to tell you, say me there in a double trouble. You all the one trouble you in right now, right?
You're not in any trouble. I am not in any trouble, Ricardo.
Remember, say, and me, bust the man secret, say, man of family.
Ricardo, you did not tell me anything, so don't even think about it.
Yes, I that more.
You didn't tell me anything.
Right.
Remember that I am here and I am pregnant for you. Now, with that being said, I will have to find a way to get you here. Right? So I may have to come, because remember, Omar never introduced you to me as his brother or anything. So, I may just need to try to bring that up or something so that he can actually, or probably when he is here, I can just call and tell him, hey, call him and, and you guys can talk or something, and then I may have to question him about it, and then we'll take it from there.
I don't feel like I want to come here when my brother is here, believe me. You can't go looking at him.
But yes, you don't want to come here when he is here, but yet still, remember, I'm carrying your baby and you're going to have to be around regardless. So sometimes when he is here, you can be here as well, or even when I have...
Can I say something to you?
Go ahead, Ricardo.
Easy to say that, Easier said than done.
It's easy to be done.
Easy to be done?
Of course.
My gosh, no, I'm not good, son. I'm not good them the way there.
Okay, you're not good that way. Work with me. If you work with me, you'll be fine.
If me work with you...
Yes, you'll be fine.
Me will be... No, sir. Me have to work the way or me can feel better in myself. You understand? Not saying that I regard you or your feelings or whatever, but boy, not easy. No, all right, look.
I know it's a tough one.
I'm sure something. You know what I want you to do? That's why I mentioned that earlier. I know that's why I'm telling you I'm in double trouble. All right, put it this way. I never want to inform my brother, right?
Mm-hmm.
Say I have another family up, so.
But you didn't technically
give me a time. But just I try to be sure I say I never know, say. You have a family down this side, I only know about the one in St. Thomas. That is the only reason why you know that, Because even though they're not a predicament, right? If me did ever know, say, you will never know about in other family. Would I hold that?
Yes, but remember...
I'll be honest to you.
Remember, I asked you who... I saw the picture, and then I asked you who he was. So when I said, who is that guy? Like, you said, oh, it's a brother, or whatever, and this is his kids and all of that. And, I mean, I don't even want to talk about it, but yes. But Ricardo, away with that now.
Yes, all right, that is so true.
Let's just be fully focused on us or baby.
Saying, please. Now use what I tell you say against him. Now, please, because guess what? Hold on. All of us, you know. Well, what are we wrong right now? No? You wrong, me wrong, and him no one wrong too, you know. So all of we there no one wrong right now. No? See? So, as I say.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, Ricardo, I would be the one to be fully blamed because remember, you don't know that I am Omar's wife.
Yeah,
so it's not a case where you are at fault. If anybody who would be at fault, it would be me who allowed you to lead me on. So come on.
I'm at fault as well because remember, I me a plan now, so I'm not going to tell him. Right? And remember, I did find out some my brother, and then still.
But you're doing it for me, Ricardo.
I do it for you, yes. And I do it for PC too. And I do it because, guess what? My brother love me, you know, but remember, you know, when a man angry, you know, remember I say, man have been gone, you know. When a man angry, you know, you understand? So I say, make it boil off, not stay in the dark forever, you know. So, but make it come out in a light down the line. No, in a heat right now.
Okay, so if that's what you decide to do, then it's okay.
That's how I go on.
Yeah. No worries. I just know that I will do it and get over it. Mrs. Campbell, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Can tell.
What brings you across here today?
Well, you know, just as a neighbor living next door, sometimes you notice a lot of things. So, just come to say hello and, you know, greet you.
Okay, I'll just sit down.
You want to sit down? Okay, you guys can go upstairs and sit. I'm coming up there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me guide you. Come. So, Kelly, you guys go sit in the living room. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
You can continue watching the TV. I'll come in.
Okay.
It's my goddaughter. She can be a bit fussy sometimes, you know.
That's fine. That's fine. So, you know, plan to tell him.
What are you talking about, Mrs. Campbell?
Suddenly I have amnesia, Shana. Suddenly. You know, plan to tell him.
Tell who? Tell who?
You
What?
well I know who me I talk about, you know. You know. You well I know. As I said, from my bedroom window over there, I have a very clear view upstairs.
Mrs. Campbell, you know that you're a very nosy neighbor.
Some would say
Why are you
observant.
Why are you like this?
Like what?
You hear the saying that says, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. Why do you have to be like this? Is that why you come by? Mrs. Campbell, why do you want to cause a havoc in my life? Tell me.
Me cause havoc in your life. You do all your actions all on your own, missus.
What do you mean?
You feel say you the fool run for him, brother, and nobody else no notice but you.
Oh, so all you know is him brother, and me never know that.
You no worry yourself. People have eye everywhere. Stay there.
So, Mrs. Campbell, what you want to do? You want to go and tell him?
Me? Tell him.
You think he's going to believe you over me, his lovely wife?
First of all, I have no intentions of telling anybody anything.
Oh.
But the only way you ensure say me not tell anybody anything.
So, Mrs. Campbell, why you couldn't just say and don't say nothing? Why you have to come to me with this? Eh? What you want to do? Blackmail me?
If you want to worry about that, all you do is just cooperate.
What you mean?
Just cooperate. What me mean? What me mean?
Remember that.
We find out, man.
Remember that we are both females, you know?
Yes, but silence no come cheap.
And everybody make mistakes.
Mistakes?
What you think?
Mistakes them continuous though.
You can't say that, Mrs. Campbell.
You think a 1 or 2 time me notice? So you feel like you and your little Romeo just like a roam the streets and nobody no notice and nobody no say nothing? You think that's how things work?
Mrs. Campbell, remember that we are both females, you know?
No, my dear.
Tell Omar that.
I know so that work. I know so that work. Me not remember that at all, but you know what I remember is seeing the young man jump from your 2nd floor up there. That's what I remember. So here what you can do for me is to ensure say the silence remain. And it might come at a very hefty price.
What you mean?
What me mean?
How much you talking about?
We have. We see what we can work with.
Mrs. Campbell.
You continue to Mrs. Campbell, you know, because the only thing me remember is the information we me need for share. So unless you want Omar to know, you need to start talk money.
You don't have to be like this, Mrs. Campbell.
I wonder
Remember
why.
that one time you were younger? Remember when you were younger and you used to hide from class? Me never used to tell your mommy.
Shana, this is a different time and different age. You feel to say you're a policeman. Now go find out at some point.
All right. Me could get to the point, Mrs. Campbell, because me can't afford for Omar to know. Remember say him a police. Remember say we have a child together. We've been married for quite some time. Me can't afford this. And even though, you know, people have their little hiccups and stuff, I don't want him to know of us. Listen. You know, Omar, we can't afford for a relationship break off just like that. Years of marriage and all, we can't afford for you to go down the drain. Why you want to stress me? Remember that I am...
I saw you did not go on.
What you mean?
So
me a go on. For what, Mrs. Campbell?
Hear what?
They're taking this for a joke?
Hear what? You see that little piece of iPhone here? I have is what this? The 11? We need a 15. 15 Pro Max. Price just gone up.
All right. All right, Mrs. Campbell.
Me have one iPhone 15 Pro Max. Me will give it to you. I will give you mine. If it's new because me have it less than 3 months.
Right.
So me will give it to you, not a scratch it in a case and everything. You can change the case. Me will give it to you. I will wipe it and I will give it to you.
That is a good start.
Me will tell Omar say it last.
That is a good start. You see, me did always know me like you, you know. You always know me like you.
Mrs. Campbell, listen, please. You see, after me give her the phone, that's it. Nothing else. You promise?
You see,
Please.
that is a comfort to a fool, you know. But we'll start there. You have me silence for now. For now.
So you plan to bail on me?
We never say all of that, but me don't know what else you plan for up to. But, you know, from another female to the next, can't keep your secret for now. Just sort out the phone.
All right, Mrs. Campbell, I will bring it to you later.
That's what I want to hear.
All right, you'll be good now.
All right, Peanut. Let you look at stuff them now.
All right, Mrs. Campbell.
And take time with yourself now. You know it's a sensitive time for you. All right? Have a good evening.
All right, Mrs. Campbell. Girls, you came back. All right. Okay. Kaylee, mommy not feeling well, okay? Aria, auntie not feeling well. All right, you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
$1,400. He had the 3 proposals. Yeah. Got the pistol with them now. The pistol with them $2,000. Yeah, man. 1 underpants to 500. You had the 3 underpants now. The $1,200. 3 underpants to $1,200. Yeah, man. You had the 50,000 now to $1,500.
Yeah, boss.
Make your first stop here. You see me? Boss a pass right a sale. Why a whole heap of stocks and buttons and things. You see me? And all is a boss when they can't buy a bike and see.
Your father, I'm ready for your help, man.
Yo, don't bind it on me, dog.
Sorry.
Keep your finger off while you kick a car and go off it.
Oh, really? So you say ready?
Yeah, man.
Up on here. I'm okay.
So, say, oh, you shot there, me tell you to cover your face, brother.
Shot me have it, man. You know stuff I put over my face. Alright, hold on. See, one for the put it over my face.
Yeah, man.
Alright, hold on. So I can't care when I do nothing. I'm telling you,
no more in that stuff.
Can I eat that shot out there and put on, brother?
I say badness come down, man. Yeah, man.
The mask, man, if you have a I'm not upgrade it. Why you try to not upgrade it?
No, really, brother. But you know what thing going to have a thing half of those. You see me? Find something.
Yeah, for them have to.
The boss boy so forward, you know.
Where you say we are go? Where you say we are going? Ready? So hold on. Where you say me for them to kill him?
No, so you can hide off your son and leave your boy.
I'm telling my father, man. No, man, I'm telling man. I'm telling man. You hope now what's the nice and
no, what?
The boy are coming on the bar. That boy. Come on, time boss. Come on, time boss. Yeah, turn up. Come on, time boss.
Take out that seat then.
Turn up over here, man. I want to man. My body set up, man.
Yo, shoot, you man.
Take your bus and go on.
Yo,
You don't have to kill me, yo. Take your bus and go on, man. Just hold the bus and go on, yo.
Shoot him.
Everything good, man. Just take your bus and go on, yo.
Yeah.
Nobody shoot me, yo. Save my life, man. Can't go live for me picking them, yo. Sick. Take your bus and go on, man.
Hey.
No, yo, big man. Nobody that, man. Nobody that, yo.
Shoot him.
Nobody that, yo.
Huh?
Let her just take your bus and go on. Please. I beg you, too. Take your bus and go on. Now I ask you, please. Leave my knee long.
Yo.
Now I beg you, do. Now I beg you,
Yo,
do.
get up off our ground.
That don't make sense, yo. Now I beg you, please, take your bus and go on. Nobody shoot me, yo.
Get up off our ground.
No, that make sense, yo. Better take your bus and go on. Take your bus and go on, yo. Do. Just save, just spare my life, man.
In there. Nobody boy did. No.
Listen.
Don't be there.
Yo, in there.
Hello?
Omar,
Hey, honey.
don't honey me. Prior reach down, you not even call me. How what happened?
Babe, I throw me the pan a little undercover mission, man. Me never get paid. I never have a phone for me because the super tell me say we can't carry phone for when we go on the mission car. So my boy them are informer and I go.
Really? So you not even call, you know, ask me about it, pick them, you know, ask me nothing.
Babes,
You don't know, so me worried.
I know you're worried, babe. I know you're worried. But what sweet car not going with?
You did go on easy.
She alright?
Yeah, man.
And tough crackers alright too?
Yeah, everybody good. But I just, you are my problem, you not calling.
I'm sorry, baby. I show me busy, man. And you know how the police business go?
Okay, so when you come back?
I see if I can get some time off. I ask the super and see when we can get some time off.
Okay.
But don't worry yourself, man. I know you miss me, you know. I miss you too, you know, babes.
Okay, well, if you miss me, you don't call me, but you'll give you the chance, yeah. But not do it again.
Alright, baby. You eat already?
Yeah.
Alright, no worry yourself. As soon as I get some time, man, I'll call you. Tell Sweet Corn and Tough Crackers say I love them, you hear?
I will.
Alright. Love you.
I love you too. Alright. Alright, later. Sweet Corn! Tough Crackers! I wanna come from? Oh, no, daddy said, tell her hi. Hi. You know, the phone, he come off when he call next time when we talk to him here. Okay. All right.
No more money. Search up the good check.
Now next time I can, hey, little boy, go on, left one yourself.
Watch it.
Go on here, yeah.
I'm telling you, man. Your time to come here. Move from us, man.
Yo. Yes.
Listen, boss.
Well, a couple more sitting in there. But me I said, oh, next time I can't move, so shaky punition in here, get me killing and that. You see me? Yeah, if it does fire, but me understand. I say, boy, you see me? Me can't say nothing, you see me? Your first time, you see? So, say, go on. But I say nothing, we have more work, see go on, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Abu and those na dem ya sit near me wa come no be.
Man, no, yeah. Can't go on like this. Can't go on like this.
Yeah, man. You know about the thing you good to brother. You know, I get and you go kill it. Make me hurt, yeah, hurt. So I say.
I'm not some better of them things, man. I always make my whole little and them things. I see it all fire, you see it. Actually. I'm on our parents. Yeah, man, I'm on our parents, man. I can get some rounds and said,
alright, well, nothing wrong with that.
That's good.
A good something that.
That's good.
Yeah, see, man, we are enough boy if you dash with you, man. Yeah, see, man.
The search up the bus and see if nothing else in it.
Yeah, man.
Hey. I'm not even sure. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Mommy, guess what?
What?
Ricardo and Skip get new bus.
How would I get bus from?
No. We see them with a new bus.
Alright, go on in there. I was not on the phone at all. No, I came to come tell me so Ricardo and Skip get new bus. Me I wonder where them get it from. Me know say Skip a thief, you know, and the Ricardo, him a follow him hard, you know. Massa.
Kenny! Come here! No, who is the possible out there? You sure? There is nobody coming from on when you're not here. You sure? Go for that, Daddy. I did not think I go back. The mother said this is fun, the damnation, the week right now. But this is a fantastic night for revolution. I'm not hearing today, but think. The won't find a very nice to talk about. One, but I heard that's an accent, yeah.
you? Where's Kenny? Babe.
Sean. Huwag pa rin sa pag.
Nasaan lang ang bansan?
Huwag pa rin sa pag.
Consulted the course father.
Sean, Axel. Tell me sir. Tanisha sa pag.
It's Tanisha Sibon.
Which Tanisha sa pag? Ay, ako here. Kasi ako man sa pag sa.
Babe, actually it's Tanisha Sibon. There's something about calling children.
Tanisha sa pag. Alright.
Even if it looked like a minesweeper, I don't know. I what if it's somebody, what if it's her minesweeper for him? She left it here.
Alright, Shauna. Alright. So I'll pull out here or something. Alright.
So, what's up with you? Yes, I'm going to pull out one here. I was going to sleep where I said get me your record first before I do anything else. So I may not read it again or no.
You have something more you want to tell me? Because they don't about 1 week, about 3 days now since we done, and you've been act weird. Even your nose look fatter, and it changed.
Babe. Stop. Stop. What's going through with me?
I don't know, something just seems off. Everything just seems off since we come back.
Do you have something that you want to tell me?
I mean, me not have nothing to hide. Me not have nothing to hide, Shauna. Me not have nothing to hide. But their work is just straight work. And so, unlike say me have nothing to hide. But since me come down here, everything it just seems off.
Nothing is off. Now you're trying to put me in different mode. Why are you trying to do that for March? Nothing is off. I've always been myself.
Alright, I'm gonna put it.
What are you trying to impel me?
Alright, Shauna. Anything you say? As I say, everything just seems off, but I'm gonna put it road.
It was a bit painful, so really.
Alright. I'm gonna put it road. I'm gonna go barber. Also, Kelly in her room, she asleep. Or she probably in there or something. But I'm gonna go barber and come back. Alright?
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Yeah, we're good, man.
Is there anything that you want to tell me?
Just feel away because last night I tried to touch you and you never really want me to touch you. So that to me, you know, make me head feel like say me I gonna lose it. Isn't it? Because imagine me not there for so long and come I can't touch you. You find all sorts of excuse.
I'm not finding any excuse. The first night you came with Arno, right? It's my talking so feeling. But I'm sorry. I'll give it up tonight.
Alright. Yeah, I'm handcuffed promise still enough. So I can't make it work. Alright.
You could say so.
But me go barber and come back. Yeah? I can't look so. Yeah?
Okay, babe.
As I say, I just feel a way about the slippers, man.
There's no need to feel any type of way. I'm not.
Because woman can be devious, you know, I tell you, you know.
No, but don't judge me, babe, please.
Alright.
I'm feeling some type of way to know that you are literally here trying to judge me. Are you implying that I'm cheating, or would you think that I have somebody come by here? I would never do such thing. I'm not cheating. I would never do that.
Well, if
you're getting me all serious.
well, if a Tanisha man suppose this, as I say, she not an ambition.
Babe, I didn't say it's Tanisha's man slipper. I said I don't know, it could be. It maybe it's her brother's slippers. I don't know. She left it here. I really don't care about that slipper. I wasn't even thinking anything, but I mean, it's okay for you to think something funny. It's fine. It's okay. Because if I had come inside here and see a woman slipper that doesn't belong to me, maybe I would go off. But
well, I'm glad I see where I come from. But I'll hurry up and come back. Yeah?
okay.
I'll hurry up and come back.
Okay, babe.
Yeah. Love you too.
Mommy?
Okay, Mary.
Daddy were asking me something.
Daddy was asking you something?
Daddy were asking for slipper.
Daddy was asking whose slippers? So what did you tell him?
I don't know.
Okay, but those slippers are Tanisha's slippers. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if he asks you again, you tell him it's Tanisha's slipper. Mommy said it's Tanisha's slipper. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for telling me.
I'm sorry, but the person you have
Telephone. I hate this. I hate this.
I'm sorry, but the person
would have the Huckleberry. How would that? Oh, go on, man. You remember your name, Huckleberry, man? From your little boy, that name they can't come on for you, no, man.
How do you
Why?
Jonah.
The Junior there.
Big bro, you know.
The Kim.
You know there.
Kim not there. Long time, bro, long time. Well,
man, put a hole over here, bro.
Man, you know, say, I saw St. Thomas, you know.
We go out belly.
So you
are dealing.
Well, I'm there, man. Are you alone there? Uncle?
No, man.
I'm going to long time when I see you.
Yeah, all right.
All right, so you have food for your mouth, man.
Well, I'm going to call. I'll call her.
Yeah, we drink water there. Leroy!
Where there?
Leroy, what going on, man? Why, Leroy, like you still have me up, man?
Yo, big old police in our force, man, look like some like a cheap boy, man. I'm really weird, I am.
You don't say, I leave me there, man, boy. Man.
What you want, man?
Say, I go on it.
Yeah, man. But yo, some of them say when they're in our force, they have to shave up on them things, man.
That's why I come down, man, because I don't know. Me dep on a little break. Me do up there somewhere. You see me? Me do stress out a little bit.
You? Real.
So, one go a barber, man. One go a barber in a bit. But I true, me come down last night and me say, a long time, I don't see you still, so I come give you a link.
True.
Because from Auntie David, they drop out from the time.
Yeah.
I think it's very bad. If we say only time we see each other is when somebody dead.
True, man.
That's no, man, we need to do better.
Yeah.
I say when I come there now, I come look for me family them.
But me love what's a big man thing. Yo, I'm glad to say when I post still in the youth. Because if I go in the force, nobody knows me to be here.
Alright, think that man, because listen to me.
You see all the bar on the soul and it's broken. Nobody knows broken it again, no brother.
Which is right, man. Because I'm not afraid to come to the boy and everything there, you know, man. I'm afraid, you know.
That's cool, man.
Oh.
Some of them get that any of them. One a day.
Why they call one a day?
Yeah.
She didn't even know. Yeah, but me out there say every day, me clap one in a man. I say, me just come out of phone, but I can't.
See the piece, I know.
Every day.
I just confirmation with you and still car. One of my know say, yo, bro, you're better than a play.
No, my brother.
So, yo, you can't get a whole lot of fight.
What idea then, man, make you hold it, man. But I know your time.
Before you back up still, my brother. Do me a big one.
No, don't worry yourself, man.
Get a one whole lot of fight, man. Is it?
I'm a little bit, man. I don't want you get involved in a feel or you feel. Because at the end of the day, I don't want you feel like say you feel good and you get caught. You see them saying that? Because, you know, man. Sometimes I look at police close here, I mean.
But I know something I do nothing but still, you see it. Just get a whole lot of fight and you see it. Better more the
no worries, sir. I can't even bust one out tight, man. Simple, yeah, at the end of the day, man, if any boy make sure you have a license one or so yes. Any boy feel like he can run in,
yeah, man.
More to do.
But if you say they give me, because I remember saying I really have no big work like them think like that, you know, you see it?
No, man, must be a sergeant, you know, I can give a full recommendation, you know, plus me have a suit, we know what to do, man, don't worry yourself. Isn't it?
See, because what I tell Fudgy them what they say. Then can link me, you know. Come on, do you want a work, you see it? Don't want to tell them a nigga and them not have nobody to give them, like, them need a recommendation, you see it? So I tell them, send to that check, man, link up. And I tell them, say, yo.
That Miss Janet Omar?
Yes.
What's the animal with the same name?
Yeah, man. Mama said, me and them go to school together differently, you see it? So me can recommend them, you see it? So, you see it? I good you still.
No worry yourself.
Get to work still, you see it?
No worry yourself, you see me?
Feel.
But, no, too story, you know, because
yeah.
I want a little mission left to go on.
You know, so I buy one bike.
Buy one bike.
I'll show you that.
Alright, that's good man. What's that man? The foolishness of the bike, you know.
I take my time right, brother. You know, see it.
I'm telling you, me a police and I like funeral, you know. Me even like courthouse.
I'm not man. I see it. I don't know if I progress. We can't stay one place in our life. You know. See it. Yeah, man.
Sure. I say, you this?
250 pay fee.
Yo, watch out, man. At least I start from somewhere.
Yeah, man. I know say you're proud of me, man.
At least I start from somewhere, man. Watch out, man. Clean, you know, man.
Nothing but I take out the man fight it, brother, because I don't know. See it.
Yeah, man. Clean, man.
Yeah,
Like
man,
that.
to go to it, brother.
Proud of you, man.
Yeah, man. Where's that? Jonah, you clean it down for me when I'm done?
Yes, man.
All right. Every day we clean it.
Junior get big, you know, man. Junior Lily boy.
Yeah, I'm a G, man. For early up.
Yeah, but now you say, man, I'm going to pass you back before I go in.
Yeah. So, mama knows you're there?
I got surprise her, man. Show me if you can something from here. Surprise her, yeah.
Alright.
But not tell her something today.
Yeah, man.
I'll surprise her.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, look more, yeah.
Man, she's nice, though.
Right now, all carry this about change one change it.
I'm telling you, man.
Change one change.
Banging, man. No matter wrong, man. I want to do more next, you know. Yeah. So when I done I did it. Yeah, man.
Wagwan, wala. Forward no. Ayaw mi aling fan.
Ay, mira. Yo, bawal ang paligid niya. Bawal. So you say I go on no more.
Alright, so basically me have a job for you. Alright, so you know Ricardo from Upper Room for right up this way. You know they have a restaurant right underneath the big tree.
Oh, yeah.
Right out I swear.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so this is how more I have to do for me. See? Me need you to kidnap him.
I'm kidnap him.
Me need you and your boys, I don't know how you're going to do it, but me just want you to kidnap him. And,
Hold on. You know, say it all cause, you know, cause.
Don't worry
so if you
about
kidnap him, I know easy, 1, 2, 3, you know. You understand?
Don't worry about that, Willow. My man Omar. You know, say him no normal.
Yeah, I know, say him a police.
Him we deal with the ransom, don't worry yourself.
Say me deal with it?
I tell you. Just listen. My call a shots. Just tell me where it costs, and it's done.
Alright, so you are one. Just line up Mr. Cheese. See? Just line up on decent piece of food like you know.
You can't tell me, man, know yourself. Money is no issue.
Alright, so you me go do. So I go make a link and call for me to add them. See? And then we touch base.
As soon as possible. Even this evening.
Yeah, your phone by you.
You can give me.
Alright, you know, if you don't have a number, just give me a fee.
Just ring my phone.
Alright, put in a number. Alright, so me call us in?
Yeah.
Alright.
I just do the doing it, you see me, as soon as possible, even tonight.
Alright.
Tonight, tomorrow, just make it done as soon as possible.
Alright.
Remember now, make it done as soon as possible. Big up yourself. So we're gonna have fun today, baby.
Careful. Don't run out. You're waiting on mommy.
Huh?
May I go down there?
But it's deep over there, Kaylee.
Not the deep part, the other side.
Oh, all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go over there then. Or you don't want? You want to go? We can go in the middle here. It's more shallow over there.
Okay.
Right?
Oh gosh, she's only a pity when I get to care hurry. Our father come here early this morning.
I should I love you now?
Alright, we could go over there now.
Oh.
Don't go too far.
Girl, I'm happy that you're here with me. You know, it's really good to have a friend like you, at least Uncle Terry has passed, and you know, you're here to support me because you know he was my very favorite uncle. And it's going to be a rough day tomorrow. It's really going to be a rough day. So at least we're here. You know, tonight is the big dead yard. So
Girl, of course, you know. Terry and my uncle too. We used to carry we go to school. So, you know, me after the year, this are the least. You understand me? But I still can't believe in gone though. So sad.
It's really sad. You know what's even really extremely sad? The fact that somebody literally took him out. You know, if it's a case where he was sick and all, it would be, you know. But to know that somebody took him out, like, it's really sad. But you know, life goes on, and trust me, there is a God.
I'm here for you. You know, Mega always there, I pray with you and say, you know.
I appreciate that, Tanisha.
Yes, girl.
And despite all that's going on, I mean, you know, at least Omar, as he said, he's got so much errands to do, so he's there at the house. God knows what he's doing, but he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He can cook, he can do whatever.
He can help himself.
Exactly so. He probably show up tonight at the
wake, right?
The wake, yeah. I don't know, but let's see. All right, Kelly. You all right?
Say alright.
Listen, when is a shout out from Boston?
Oh, don't worry about that, man. She'll come back by Friday.
So that means I get to see this weekend.
I'll try. I'll try, man. Even Saturday evening can come up here. Here?
Okay, listen.
Or yourself. I want some fresh air. Kind of sit the balcony yet.
The man takes my boy just a draw away for buy me.
Just a draw?
Feed too ready. They're gonna need the money by next week.
Alright, no problem. No problem. I want to look nice to you. You think you're
on the bed here too?
You could get the one that we make from can hold on for. You see the chest of drawer? Make sure say you have a place that I can put my gun in it. You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. Come here, let me show you something. Alright, see up there, son? From the star there. See the moon? Beautiful.
I thought you were going to bring Ariana. She got a reading class today. Oh, well. So, shall we stress him out? Oh, God. First thing, who's the game? You should only answer what you do this. She's alright though, he's alright, I don't know. I'm saying she because her hormone process and it it is. But the baby's okay. Just so you know. Alright, so on our phone, but something happened. Oh God. The card was here. And the were discussing about us. I'm not talking about the way do that. When we decide that, okay, then we're going to give you but not give them money. Okay. Which is awesome, which is, what I wanted. Now, while we were here, something, and suddenly I was like, I heard a little noise, the very downstairs. It was Omar.
Same couldn't get you, man?
Tanisha, I was so shocked.
You catch him?
No, I can laugh because he did not.
And then they don't prefer you.
I never know Ricardo was, I don't know, what you call this type of sports? Like, he's a flyman. Omar Ricardo flashed through the door, climbed the rail.
Oh, what did I say?
Don't see us.
Girl. What did I say? Look at this, you bro.
Well, that's a hard point. Mrs. Williams from a plastic right garden.
They know she knows that no.
Tanisha, I'm in some deep stuff right now. She even came by talking about oh, she wants to, like, she coming off like, she wants to black me, like she wants to go to the or yes. And she even said I have to give her something, you know. So she wants to move for another one. I was like, okay, I'm going to give her my phone. I gave her my phone. And I gave her the phone and I had to tell her, oh my, that my phone got lost. It's like she how she went on. I'm hoping because if she ever does, as a matter of fact, I'm thinking something, but let me hear that stay for now. Let me, I'm not even going to say my last word for now, but let that stay for now. So anyways, when Omar was coming, you know, we were watching him from downstairs. And then I saw the kind of fresh here, go on back. Straight, like I didn't even
It's lying down off of the veranda, but downstairs.
I was like, this man, like, wow. But anyways, I'm happy he did because I did not want Omar to know.
No problem. That's another one.
And they started something off. We ran the police station.
Tomorrow you see?
Oh, thank God.
Thank God, girl.
I'm like, oh my God. Then, let's listen to this. Yes, of course.
And then to tell the man?
Yes, of course.
Oh my gosh. Even once I said, what Tanisha said a big stuff?
It could be somebody.
Exactly.
I don't know how that is right.
You can't.
So basically, you already see my stomach.
Exactly. And she is exactly, girl. You can't beat that.
I'm like, but you know, I'm just happy that Omar did not see it because if you did, that would have been an awful thing. And then in that Omar spirit, like, I have been calling your pocket, and I'm not getting attention. You know?
You know about that? Yes.
I haven't seen it. You know, even by the restaurant, I went to one restaurant and he's not there, like, that's strange. I haven't seen him. He's not being taken in the house.
So I don't know. How come it was one?
I call him multiple times. It's true, multiple times. And no response. So, I don't know. But anyways, I have a plan and I know that it's a master plan, so I'm going to ensure that I execute that plan. And all the well, myself and my family will all precious.
It's just another workout. I just feel, that everything I know is come back together.
It will, trust me, it will. With all this, I just want to I just want everything to be fun. I want, you know what I'm thinking to where we're just going to one of these schools, probably Sunday. We can just bring the kids and take them to go ride the runners and street. Sure, as Smarties, down there, Smarties. Okay, you can bring them to Infinity.
Anyway, was ice cream this year, but also I go crazy on them. Likewise, scary with the ice cream. So
yes, so then
what's ice cream today?
Or we can bring them for you. Whichever one you decide on. Anyone, yeah. I know it's going to America with the plan that I have. And it's a master plan, especially here.
Because she girls, so we know, I think I'll work out.
Yes, so.
Oh, when I got them, I'll bring them there.
You can watch it, but you know, always have fun. We'll finish here over here and something this
Hello? Hey, what's wrong?
Shana, what want you? Eh? What want you, Shana? Shana, talk to me now. What is this? Eh? Shana, what is this?
Ma'am, I have something to tell you.
I'm listening.
Please forgive me.
Shana, what do you mean forgive me? What?
Please forgive me.
Sit up and talk to me. One tear.
Your brother Ricardo broke into the house. He beat me up because I told him that I was going to tell you.
Wait, hold on. Shana, what you asked to me? My brother?
I didn't know it was your brother because you never introduced us. You never told me you had him as a brother. I never knew anything about you both as a brother.
Shana, I'm confused. What do you mean? Talk to me.
Babe, one day I was driving down the road with Kelly. And I stopped at the shop to buy something. And when I went into the shop, I saw a picture of you and the guy on the wall. And I asked, how do they get your photo and why they have your photo up in the shop?
Which shop? Which part of the shop they did?
It was a shop in the other community. Up by where they have the ATV tours.
Up a Rowan River?
Yes, Rowan River. No. I asked the guy, why do you have Omari's photo in the shop? And he was like, wait, you know my brother? I was like, that's your brother? And he said, yes.
So how we reach to this? How we reach here, so Shana?
I don't know. But I said to him, that's not your brother. And I was like, there's no way you should have his picture hung up in a shop. Why would you have it hung up in a shop? And then I left with Kelly and I came home. So while I was driving home, I saw a vehicle was trailing me.
A vehicle?
Yes, was trailing me, but then the vehicle drove past. After the vehicle drove past, I saw your brother riding on a bicycle. I came in. After I came in, right after I was closing the door,
Shana. Listen, what do you mean? Talk to me, no, man.
As I was closing the door, he called out to me, but then I closed the door and come inside. I left the front door open, right? And I put Haley to sleep, and I was laid down right here. And while I was here, dozing off, I just felt I had over my mouth. When I opened my eyes, it was your brother. And he took disadvantage of me.
This doesn't sound like my brother.
But then,
What do you mean took disadvantage of you, Shana?
he took disadvantage of me. And he said, listen. He took out my gun and he said, listen, if you tell you about this experience, he's going to kill me, and he's going to kill my picnic. And I must remember that my brother is always not around.
Hold on, Shana. Hold on. May I want.
Babe, I was afraid to tell you.
Shana, hold on there. this a person, yeah? So him the eyes of Shauna?
When he came here today, he beat me up. And he said I should tell you, and I should know that my brother don't want me. And he's the one who should have a family. And if I think my brother wants me.
So Shauna, say uncle bud?
Yes, he sliced it because when he was hitting me, I held my hand out to block it, but then he sliced me.
So honey, what? Alright, baby, hush. I'll get to the bottom of this, here. I'll get to the bottom of this.
He said, you don't want me. He repeated it while he was beating me. He said, yeah, I think my brother want you.
Him tell her that?
Yes, he said that, and he said, yeah. He said that if I want another family in St. Florence.
Allah, ya tell Shauna, what up?
He showed me the pictures.
Shauna, you know, say a long time, me know, say, my little brother bad mind. You know? Because what kind of lie that you tell about me have family or something?
I have no more water left in me.
Shauna, look. Look at. Stop it crying. Here? Stop it crying. Me not... Alright, me so come here. Here, Shauna? So come, man. Don't worry yourself, man. So come. Just. Hold this up. Hold this just in case he come back. We go look for him here. Shauna, just stop it crying, man.
Hey, Omar, anyway up there right now. We don't have to do real fast, please. Omar, the anyway up there right now, please. Don't have to fast. Yes, anyway up there now. Yes, alright.
Ricardo! Uncle, it's Ricardo.
No, sir. Me not see boy for mine, man. Me been gone crossway, what's up?
Which part?
What's up by bush?
Uncle, you don't know, say, I worked me there a while ago. A woman called me a ball. When we come home and see her, all her face bruised up, and her eye thump out and something.
Ricardo do that?
She tell me, say, Ricardo do it.
Why?
Eh?
He supposed to be. Ricardo is so bad to that, man.
No, but what me I say? No trouble you want me put myself in a...
Right away.
Because she might check my family, even though I'm a brother still.
Yes, you agree, man, you agree. Ricardo have to go drip up. We have to drip him up, man.
Where's saying gone? Which way is saying gone?
He gone over Paris here. They bought him a tycoon and I riverside it.
Alright, no worries, sir. No tell him something, nobody tell him something come here, you know.
No, me not.
Yeah?
What do you man? Me big on that man.
Alright, me super.
Powerful.
Yo, my G.
Yes.
Boy, gone nice shop, you know.
Because I bought the way using easy if you walk me now.
Alright, so anytime you see me grab him, me knock your bus.
Yeah, man.
Ready, you
Make sure I
know.
bought the way using.
Alright, yeah, man. Yo, Blocks. Put on your mask, already, you know.
Alright, ready.
Yo, see my coming in. No, don't make easy say I've got him mask. Yo, grab him.
Yo, what is? Oh man, yo, wrong hand. Yo, what on man? You open that shut up. No, wrong man, you can have to go. Go on. Go. Wrong man, yo.
Relax yourself, no man.
Yeah, what's on? Rick, my name, you know, Rick. A wrong man, you know, believe me, man.
Face, you know.
Believe me, brother. A wrong man, you know, believe me.
Yo, you don't know what you do. You don't know what you do.
What me do?
Alright, you'll find out, you know. Yo, Blocks. Yo, take out your phone and call him.
Go, man, be good, brother.
Yo, dash him, man. No, man, call him phone and make him know so we have him.
Go, man, go, man.
Alright, relax yourself.
Yeah.
Where you going, man? Why not there? Yo, John was star. Yo, where you going, man? Hey, you know what I say? There's a report me come make a while ago. I pass through, man. Boy, see me, I just come and work in a yard. Yeah, man, look at. Glad to see you, man. But boy, I tell you. You know, say, we just a come from a station. Hey, I'm gonna make a report because me see, then just kidnap me, my brother.
My brother?
Yeah.
Now what you say to me?
But me I tell them say, and they not have to give me no good vibes in there as a fellow policeman. You get me I say?
A man like you, where everybody know, one a day.
So me I tell them, man.
Yo, we for squad 4. How are they, man? They don't know who you. No, man, I forget them attacking them, man.
Talk to little idiot woman.
Yo! So what you say happen now?
But yo, as me I say now, I be a new face in there, I'm not too trust them, you know. What me I look is somebody where serious, I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, man, you know, say me hear about you, you know. One of them must say name, you know, must be a reason, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, say hear about me too still.
No.
Respect, man, because we come from way back.
Party leg, man.
See that, man? Yeah, man, the party leg, you know.
But on a serious level, though, me need to find out who kidnapped my brother. As I say, your division thing, I say, most he hoodlums them boy place or war go on or something. But if you know any information about war go on,
look man. Just lay down and just tell me everything what go on and so forth. You don't know, say me a man on the street too. Alright, any little info you want, you don't know you go.
So basically, me don't have to leave, you see me? And they have me a pass from baby mother, their woman. So. So she tell me, say, my brother, cut her from the hand. You see me, I say?
Yo, brother, cut your baby mother.
Yeah.
On her hand.
So if me say me I go look for discipline him. You understand? But he never there yard. So me say me I look around the place. Look around. There's a white truck. A Benz, one of them Benz Sprinter truck there.
Yeah.
One of them me see like them put him in. You understand?
So you didn't get no, you never really look on the plate still, but...
No, I never get to see the plate. The beats all shut off of them, man.
For real?
Yeah, man, but...
How many never hear that?
The beats all shut off of them, man.
No, for dear.
You see me? What else me I say? Any information I get about him?
No, man, you're our dear, man. That one we in youth.
We're going to need a partner, man. As me I say, I can't trust them people in the station, bro.
Virgin, me say me and you come from squad 4. No, squad 4, me tell you. And we about. Don't worry yourself, man. Me have your back, man.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. I go in and refresh myself.
Yeah.
I say, I'm exhausted.
But you dress me, you look like I want judge to write it. Why, like you ranks up, man.
No, man, a court me I come from, man. Court me, I go a court to them, man. But they have a little case going on court also.
Okay.
So they come down for two.
Yeah.
You understand? So they down for a while.
It's a pleasure to see you, man. Long time, you know.
Yourself, man.
We back. Don't worry yourself, man. Not link me.
Yeah, man, but watch out now.
Yeah.
Give me a number. Cause, as I say, we done for a while.
Man, don't worry yourself. Man, how are you, man?
Yeah, man, just show up, man. Make sure it.
Let me see it as. You don't know me already?
Yeah.
Leg. Party leg.
Alright. Yo, respect you, know. Yo, be safe here.
Virgin, you say me have a back, man. You want to have a man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, just look out here, yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool the boss.